Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to use the promo code in Clash of Clans. So here is a Reddit post I read, and there is something very interesting. 2 years ago, a user named Alex Bannister, said there never were and current are not any promo codes in the game. If you bought one, you were scammed. So from this one we can tell that actually it may not have an option, but if the option is there somehow, I don't know, I don't play Clash of Clans, but here would be the full list of the codes. So these are all the available codes like you can see here. I will also link this article in the description below. You can find those codes in Google when you search up for Clash of Clans codes, and there should be these should be the active codes here. And how you can read them, the codes, is by launching Clash of Clans on your Android iOS device. Complete the tutorial, then tap on the settings button at the side of the screen, click on Redeem Gems option, enter the code provided above in the text area, click on the get button, and you will be rewarded immediately in game. Enjoy with your free rewards. So if this is still if the option is there, you can do it by following these steps here. But like I said, 2 years ago someone said the option is not there, but maybe it's an updated version and you can actually redeem codes. So this is basically how you use the Clash of Clans codes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next guide.